Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Hyundai Elantra horn easy method. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable to prevent accidental deployment of the airbag or electrical shorts. Work in a well-lit area and have a helper steady the wheel if needed while you access the horn wiring behind the bumper. Gather the tools and lay them out on a clean surface before starting so you stay organized. Verify you have the correct replacement horn for your Elantra model and keep a rag handy to protect painted surfaces while you work. Safety glasses and gloves are recommended for comfort and protection. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful DIY guides. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite for comfortable, glare-free reading during garage breaks, and it makes a great companion while you follow step-by-step instructions. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Start by removing the bumper or accessing the horn through the grill area depending on your model. Test the old horn with a multimeter before fully removing it to confirm the issue. Install the new horn in the same orientation, reconnect the wiring, tighten bolts to secure it, and reconnect the battery to test functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.